Hi, you're with India Post Live, India's first online news conversation web TV. I'm Ishan Russell, and India Post Live is, of course, a forum for you to come and participate in. So do come in via social media, hashtag India Post Live to your tweets, or use our Twitter handle at India Post Live. You can use Facebook. India Post Live has our Facebook page. You can go there, like it, comment on it, post pictures, post comments, or post videos if you want. And also, you can go to IndiaPostLive.com. That's the name of the website, and we're streaming this live right now in case you're watching this later. There are other videos for you to view as well, and you can also evolve to comment upon. And in case you want to come in and participate in the discussion, be the expert, ask a question, well, you're most welcome to do so. Just send us a participation request, and we'll for sure get your view in through Skype or Google Hangout. All right. So today, of course, is Monday, and on Mondays we talk about entrepreneurs. And in our series on entrepreneurs, today we are talking about art that is of a different nature. Art on the wall is the concept. There's a website, there's a Facebook page, but what exactly is art on the wall all about? Rather than me talking about it, I'll let the person who started this talk about it. Kritika Mahindra is the co-founder of Art on the Wall, and along with her we have Mr. Lalit Kaushal. He's the artist, one of the artists with Art on the Wall. So Kritika, what is Art on the Wall all about?
It is basically we all feel connected with art. So we knew some professional artists like these who are excellent in their talent and their work, and we wanted to give them a platform wherein we can have a slice of life in form of art for everyone. So we do customized wall art, and we do customized even furniture art. So we knew them and we wanted to promote their talent. So we just collaborated that idea and merged into a cause of Art on the Wall, wherein we decorate the wall in different forms, in 2D, that is two-dimensional, three-dimensional, illusion forms, and even murals, which is like full wall size art form. So that was the whole idea of coming up with art on the wall rather than just having it a painting or on a canvas, which are very expensive. So we do on straight away on the wall. They sketch it, they draw it, they color it, and it's there. It's in your house, in your office, in your restaurant.
And how expensive is it? I mean, many would want to get this done, but how expensive?
It is not at all expensive, I tell you. We provide on a very quantitative and competitive rate. It depends upon design to design and as per the requirement of the client. So you say, it starts from 60 rupees per square feet, and it can goes up to, depends upon the, kind of colors and the type of artwork that they require.
All right. I want to go across to Mr. Lalit because Lalit, as far as this entire concept is concerned, this is something new, कुछ नया है ये और as an artist कितना मुश्किल था? How difficult was it to earn a living otherwise? And is this something that और लोगों को करना चाहिए? Should other people be doing it?
कितना मुश्किल था ये सब?
आपके लिए कितना मुश्किल था ये करना?
10-15 साल नहीं था ये काम, तो अब कैसा?
हाँ, उन दिनों काफ़ी परेशानी होती थी।
हाँ।
और काम मिलता नहीं था।
हाँ।
तो बीच में कुछ और काम भी करा।
अच्छा।
हाँ जी। अब कुछ सालों से ये वॉल आर्ट करना शुरू किया।
जो आपका स्ट्रगल था एक आर्टिस्ट के, उसके बारे में अगर हमारे व्यूअर्स को बता सकते हैं कि आपने स्टार्ट कैसे करा, आप आर्ट में घुसे कैसे, आपको क्यों आर्टिस्ट बनने का, क्योंकि कई लोगों को यही लगता है अल्टीमेटली आर्टिस्ट का कि आर्टिस्ट के पास पैसे नहीं आते हैं, तो पैसे की वो जो बात थी वो कैसे आप, मतलब कितनी मुश्किलों से आपने अपने आर्ट को संभाल के रखा अपने पास?
मैंने 90 के बाद शुरू करा ये काम। उसके बाद सन 2003 या 4 तक ठीक रहा। उसके बाद विनाइल आ गई।
आप क्या पेंटिंग्स बनाते थे और बेचते कैसे करते थे?
नहीं, हम होल्डिंग्स वगैरह एडवर्टाइजिंग कंपनी में उनमें काम किया करते थे। तो 2003 के बाद विनाइल आ गई, तो काम बहुत कम हो गया। तो उन दिनों बड़ी परेशानी हुई, बीच में कुछ इधर उधर काम भी करे और भी काम करे। तो फिर बाद में वॉल आर्ट का शुरू करा काम धीरे धीरे, तो अब कुछ दिनों से चल रहा है।
अच्छा. And how big is the collective that you formed, and how many artists are in panels? And,
artists are more than 8 to 10 that we are working with right now, but they are all freelancers because we are in the process of making it organized. So yeah, the struggle was tough, and since, as I told you, that it was vinyl and flex boards and other digital part of the communication, which has printing it has taken it over. So we are still getting them the work wherein they have to paint the hoardings, the big 80 by 10 square feet hoardings. It just incapable of which their talent lies in. So that is how it has started off. It's like more than 3 years now, but from past 1.5 years, like we have been doing very active work, and more than 24 of work that we have done so far.
All right.
Most
And
of them are
how
residential.
long does it usually take to perhaps do a wall? I mean, a wall of this size that right behind me, how long would it take?
Minimum 2 days.
Minimum 2
Minimum
days.
2 days.
All right. So that's talking about the product, but talking about the idea, why did this and how did this idea come to you?
It was one of a fine evening wherein my partner, which is the founder of Art on the Wall, she was getting some artwork done on her mother's school. So these guys were the artists who were painting on like the whitewashed kind of a paint, and they started doing something else on the wall side. So there she got interested and asked them, like, you do all that part. So they said, yes, we are, that's what we were actually doing, but being forced to do the whitewash with the plain white color things. So then we gave them the platform to decorate the whole school with their talent and with their skills and art. And from that day onwards, we have become, made them a part of our team.
All right, and is there an increasing number of people joining in with this cause? And it's a pretty noble cause,
Yeah.
because it's not the conventional
Right.
artist who's
It is
gone to an
not
art
at all.
school and who has the network to market his skills. So in terms of marketing skills of a very unorganized sector, how tough was the journey for you?
It has been very tough. I have spotted out artists who were selling tea on tea stalls. But what I noticed was, they have decorated their tea stalls in such a way because they were artists. But, as he told you, that there is no work for them right now. So I just got connected with such people, or the, sabzi vendors and fruit vendors who have decorated their stalls in a beautiful way. So these are the artists whom I am getting in connection with, and people who have that skill and talent. So we're just trying to push them forward. It has been a very tough journey, but challenging at the same time, because now we are trying to build them in a in a market oriented, which is like organized sector. We're trying to make that organized sector for them, so that they can get their earning on regular basis and can feed their families on regular interval.
All right, we have another person from Art of the Wall, calligraphist Naresh Kumar is joining us via Google Hangout. Naresh ji, thank you very much for coming in. आप बताइए, आपके लिए ये आपका जर्नी कैसा रहा आर्ट ऑन द वॉल के साथ? क्यों आप आर्ट ऑन द वॉल के साथ जुड़े, और अब आपकी क्या उम्मीदें हैं?
ये भी थोड़ा बहुत चल दिया काम चल दिया।
नरेश जी, आपकी आवाज़ नहीं आ रही, एक बार फिर से बोल सकते हैं प्लीज़?
जी
All right, we'll just try to re-establish that connection. I'll just ask my producer to figure that connection out with Naresh. But in terms of the various kind of artists that you have, talked about that a little bit, Kritika.
Yeah.
I mean, Naresh, of course, is a calligraphist.
Right. We have 2D painters, we have 3D painters. 3D painters, like we do the 3D installations, which are different from 2D, which is like directly on the wall, or you just take a pencil and then start drawing, or a paint with a paintbrush. We have 3D artists also who do work with POP, with sand, with clay. We do installations also with, like, on different medium, maybe plastic. So we recycle out the things, we paint them in an interesting way, we put them on the on clients' walls, and it enhances the whole the area and the room in itself. Then we have murals also. Murals is like full wall-to-wall size art, wherein we do it with illusion effect, wherein you can see a perspective in the painting itself. You see there is something that you are diverging into and you are going ahead into. So these are the kind of art forms that we are just promoting out.
All right, and you've talked about the journey that various artists have had, but in terms of support, I mean, are you looking for any support? Is there any support available for such an unorganized sector?
I do not think so. There is any. It's just that you can get on commission basis. People do come in and commission you on that. But our basic, motto is to stabilize ourselves, to organize ourselves in a market-oriented fashion way, so that we can, incorporate more of such artists who are forced, who are actually on the verge of extinction. They
Right,
are
absolutely.
extinct. So our focus is to, go and do the research and do marketing for such people and get them into our team. So
All
that
right,
it will be-
one of the members of your team, Naresh, is back with us. Naresh ji, thank you very much for joining us. आप बताइए, आपका इसमें अनुभव कैसा रहा है आर्ट ऑन द वॉल में?
बहुत अच्छा है।
हाँ, तो आपने क्या, मतलब कि इससे पहले क्या कर रहे थे आप आर्ट ऑन द वॉल से जुड़ने से पहले?
इसके पहले हमारी पेंटिंग थी, थोड़ी सी बैनर थे, वही काम करता था, तो ये सब थोड़ा ये मैं सोच रहा था आगे काम मुझे खुलना पड़ा, अच्छा लगा मुझे आगे काम करके।
Acha, so I mean, so the point is, at the end of the day, it's gainful employment for a lot of people. But how tough is it to market? How do you market such a product? How do you get to clients? How do you go about doing
We
that?
are so far, we are connected with and doing it through social media networking and through word of mouth is the most important. Like whomsoever we do the work for, so through their like clientele, we get the references. And beyond that, because like it's a very small organization right now, so we are in search of people who are who can just advertise for us or can do marketing stuff for us. So right now, whosoever like is connected with the team, they're doing it with the word of mouth and through maximum through social media networking.
Alright, ललित जी, सबसे मुश्किल काम क्या होता है? सबसे मुश्किल चीज़ क्या होती है एक आर्टिस्ट पैसा छोड़ के, मतलब क्रिएटिविटी आपको अगर बोले कोई दीवार पेंट कर दो तो एकदम से आ जाता है, सोचना पड़ता है, कैसे प्रोसेस कैसा है आपका, दिमाग में क्या चलता है जब आप आर्ट के बारे में सोचते हैं?
दिमाग में यही चलता है कि पहले तो बनाना क्या है उस जगह, उस हिसाब से उसको हम ड्राइंग करते हैं, ड्राइंग करके फिर कलर करते हैं, फिनिशिंग करते हैं, ये प्रोसेस है।
तो क्लाइंट कैसा होता है, क्लाइंट का स्वभाव कैसा होता है आपकी तरफ? क्लाइंट कभी बोलता है कि मुझे ऐसा अच्छा नहीं लगा, आपको फिर से
नहीं,
पूरा
क्लाइंट्स को
करना
ज़्यादातर
पड़ता है?
काम हमारा बहुत पसंद आता है,
हाँ,
खुश हो जाते हैं।
मतलब वो आप पे छोड़ देते हैं कि आप किस तरीके का वो कर रहे हैं, या क्लाइंट के दिमाग में कुछ होता है?
कुछ वो भी बताते हैं, बाकी ज़्यादातर हम ही करते हैं।
Alright. So I mean, it's interesting. The outlet that one often is denied is being provided to creative talent, and that I think is an excellent idea. But in terms of an extension, do you see this idea being extended into other things
yes,
as well?
of course. Like we are in talks with people who can let us paint their whole buildings, the exteriors of the buildings, or maybe the flyovers in Delhi, or maybe the metro metro pillars out here. That would be a beautiful thing to work on. I mean, it's not for the money,
Right.
now would it be? It's more of
But
the
there has
artwork.
been a lot of graffiti that's been happening, especially in Delhi. I've
Graffiti is-
noticed,
yeah.
especially South Delhi, there have been a
Yeah,
lot
there
of
have
graffiti. So are you one of the graffiti artists or not?
No, we're not.
All right.
We do
But-
customized art. It's like personalized. You ask us to do, you can ask us to make the changes in art. In a wallpaper, you cannot ask to change this this color or maybe this texture or this design. So we do customized art. So that's I guess the best part of it.
All right. In fact, I'll ask my producers to play out a few pictures that Kritika has shared with us once again for you all to actually show you how the things are. And you can see over there, I mean, the little tree over a bed, I would love to have that in my bedroom. But Kritika, what would be the weirdest demands that have come in? Just a little bit of a fun element.
Okay, I can tell you.
The toughest ones.
Not the toughest. I mean, I guess there's nothing tough for us because everything is challenging. So whatever comes up to us, we take it as a challenge because then it's not a predefined design. You need to make some changes in that. So that's the challenging part. That's the most fun part of it. But yeah, one very weird in the sense like very interesting project that we did was in a Gurgaon project. Wherein this girl wanted her face, her face as a portrait, as a selfie on the wall with the pop art, with pop art effect. That was Niyati Sharma from Gurgaon, and we did that for her on the wall. So she has a selfie of herself on her bedroom with some pop art effect on the as a borderline. So that was very interesting. I mean that it takes a lot of courage. The morning she gets up, she sees herself on the wall. So
She obviously likes to see herself, I guess.
yeah,
then.
getting her own personal identity and expression on the wall. I guess it's an amazing idea from her end also.
Alright, ललित जी, आपके लिए ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट क्या होगा? क्या आप करना चाहेंगे? किस चीज़ को आप पेंट करना चाहेंगे ऐसा कि आप उसके बाद भी बोलेंगे कि हाँ, आज मैंने एस्टैब्लिश कर लिया?
कुछ इस तरह का कि जो लोगों को दिखे।
अच्छा, तो कोई दिल्ली में कोई बिल्डिंग है या कुछ है जहाँ पर आप पेंट करना चाहेंगे, कुछ करना चाहेंगे?
मेट्रो में कहीं मौका मिले।
अच्छा, मेट्रो में कहीं मौका मिलेगी, हजारों लाखों को आपका हुनर देखने को मिले. I want to go across to Naresh. Naresh, we seem to have lost that connection with Naresh. All right, but as far as the dream project is concerned, I mean, he mentioned the metro, you mentioned the metro pillars, but anything in the offing? Can we expect anything, or are you still hoping?
We're dreaming. We're still dreaming of the big projects, but yeah, metro pillars and metro the flyovers and all are one of our target places where we would like to paint.
Yeah,
because
absolutely.
buildings and exteriors have already been painted by, you know, like foreign artists and then local individuals. But then such things, yeah, because that's a promotional thing that we would like to, you know, come across
But
with.
why is art so important? And you know, a lot of people say that I mean, if a government commissions a project that involves art, a lot of questions are raised that do we really need to do this or not? The aesthetics. Explain to us why aesthetics important in life to us. Why is art important to our lives?
Art is expression that we all understand. I guess in your background also there is art.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that's in a part of it. You can't keep the walls plain or you can't keep the whole arena in a plain form, right? Art is an expression. You find art everywhere. Even in a singing, in a musical way or any other way, that's an art. So getting all that expression in a colorful way on a project, on a canvas, on a wall, that's the idea. That's the idea to go about. So ethics and everything, yeah, it does includes, but you know, getting the basic thing of the, you know, color, playing out with colors on the wall or on any other modern media, that's our you know, objective to follow.
All right, so we'll wish you the best for that
Thank you so
objective.
much.
And Lalit ji, thank you very much for coming in. अपनी अपनी कहानी हमसे share करी, अपने views के बारे में बताया, अपने dreams के बारे में बताया. Naresh is there with us. Naresh, one final question to you. आखिरी question, आपके लिए dream project क्या होगा? आप क्या करना चाहेंगे कि आपको लगे कि आपके artist जो है वो establish हो गया, दिख आपका हुनर दुनिया को दिख गया?
यही कि आर्ट का काम चलता रहे हमारा, दुनिया को दिखे हमारा काम, ये बात है।
All right, so just continuing with the good work, I mean, at least there's an opportunity for both Lalit and Naresh to show their talents, and thank you very much for sharing your views with us, and thank you very much,
Thank you
Kritika,
so
for coming
much.
in and sharing a unique concept, a unique idea, and we wish you all the best for your future
Thank you
endeavors, all the best, Lalitji, all the best, Naresh. So in case you want your wall painted in a different way, and you want to, in fact, participate in it also, I think you should get in people to participate in the, yes, put that little touch on your wall, so you can get that done. Art on the Wall is the name of the concept. They have a Facebook page. They have a website. What's the name of the website?
www.artonthewall.in.
All right, artonthewall.in. So just log in over there, and it's not really that expensive, and we all could do with a little color in our lives. All right, thank you very much,
Thank
guys,
you
for
so
coming
much
in.
for inviting
Well,
us.
that's it in our conversation. But we promise you a lot more stories from a lot more entrepreneurs. In case you're an entrepreneur and want to get noticed, want to talk about what you're doing, well, come in and tell us, and we'll for sure put your views out there. Thanks so much for joining in.